Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best knife sheaths that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Knife Sheaths. Sheaths category at Knives Plus. This section will contain replacement sheaths for Becker knife and tool, case, buck, others. No sheath will last forever, and when a sheath is damaged, it can prevent you from carrying or using your knife. These replacement sheaths are factory sheaths made to fit particular knives. If you are trying to fit a knife, make sure you look at the measurements. Number 5. Keepster EDC leather sheath for multi-tools. Specially designed key holder and belt loop function, catch all of the gear you needs carry. You can put a multi-tools with a flashlight and pen. All-in-one multi-tool leather sheath. Main features. Multi-tool leather sheath. High-quality leather. Easy to take. Number 4. Hunting axe sheath T-Hawk leather sheath. The leather is vegetable tanned and will not corrode metal. It has a hand-oiled finish for durability, and the seams are locked-stitched with heavyweight nylon thread. Main features. 1-year limited warranty. Made in USA. High quality. Number 3. XL EDC leather sheath for Leatherman multi-tools. The leather belt sheath is designed for Leatherman multi-tools, and most 5-inch knives. The leather was treated to make it has an artificial aged look, gets better over time. Main features. Easy to access. Designed for multi-tool. Premium leather sheath. Number 2. Viperad PJ16 leather sheath for belt. Multi-tools, pens, knives, keep them organized. The keychain bayonet can easily catch your keyring. 360 degrees keychain rotation design allows to take the keys from all angles. Main features. Idea gift for mans. Easy to access. 100% leather sheath. Number 1. Multi-tool sheath for belt leather. Smooth texture, and will become softer and softer as you use it, is no peculiar smell. Practical and classic gift for men, maybe you can give it to your father or boyfriend as a gift. Main features. High quality leather sheath. Height below 1.75 inch. Easy to use. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.